Hello guys, how are you? Good morning. It's been raining cats and dog for past few weeks. And we cannot go outside so we're going to make hot chocolate drink. So this is perfect for the cold weather. We're just gonna add the Hershey's chocolate cocoa powder. I will add fresh milk, a dash of cinnamon powder. This is Arnibal guys, or sugar water. This is sweet, a pinch of salt. Add sugar to your liking and pour into your glass or your cup. So this is our simple hot chocolate drink. So stay safe and stay warm guys. Take care and this too shall pass. See, the sun is coming out.
Good morning, guys. Say hi to the camera, Claire.
Let's dunk our biscuits. Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso. Let's pray for the flooded areas.